in. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see it properly now that it hasn't been glued. I probably look so funny because I don't have a wig on, but I've got my makeup on, you guys. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girls and welcome Laka, and I'm back with another video. For today's video we are reviewing Celie Hair. They've sent me this lovely packaging with the hair, and so this is a 20-inch and it is a 5x5 lace front wig. It's 180 density. Let me just go in more with the details as well. The wig is a body wave and it's glueless. Also it's a clean meltdown. That's if you want to do like a meltdown of the hair, if you want to put glue, but today we're doing a glueless wig. I'm going to show you how it looks when it is glueless. So I have mentioned that it is 180 density. If you guys would like to get this wig in a 13x4, you can also do that if you want an ear to ear, but today's wig is a 5x5, which is I think it starts from here up until here. That's the wig that we are wearing today, and that is the wig that they've sent me. So I want to show you guys how this wig looks. I think I've shown you how I curled the hair. I'm sure I'll insert a footage how I curled the hair somewhere here so that you guys can see. So it comes in this bag. The hair comes in this bag as well. I'm sure you guys can see there's the hair over there. So the hair does come pre-plucked, but I also plucked it to another level because the plucking that they did was like they just did a little bit of plucking, but I like my hair like much more, like take it a bit further because I don't want it to look a bit bulky here in front, so that's why I plucked it as well. So it came with these wig caps. So these are 2 wig caps. Also came with these are the pegs that you use when you are installing your wig. I'm not sure if it's called a peg or whatever, I'm not quite sure. It also came with this lovely comb over here. Lashes, yes, lashes, we love lashes over here, and bobby pins as well. A spoolie, there you go, that's the spoolie. So it has a brush over here and a little comb for your edges, and it also came with this is sort of like a band. Yeah, it is a hairband. If you want to wear this, yeah, it also comes with a hairband, and obviously a wig cap, because how are we going to sleep, child, if we don't have wig caps? So yeah, this is great. This one I'm not quite sure like what you use it for. In actual fact, I've never used them. Like, I've got so many of them, but I never use them. I think it's also like something that you can put over here, like when your wig is on your head. I'm not quite sure what you use. Yeah, perhaps you use it for that. But anyway, you guys, let's get straight into the installation of the hair. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are feeling great, because I am. My mood today is a bit elevated. I don't even know why, but hey, I am in the mood. Okay, let's go straight into the installation. How the hair looks after I've curled it. Can you guys see the curls? I love these curls because it's sort of like when I'm using my curler as well, but I feel like these ones stick for so long because I do it in the evening if I'm going to install my hair in the morning, like now. So I leave it throughout the night to sort of like sit. So it's set for like let's say 24 hours to 13 hours, and then in the morning I'll install it. And I feel like these last a bit longer, so that's why I did it that way. And now I'm going in with some makeup over here because I want this part to look like my skin. I want it to blend with my skin as well, so that's what I'm trying to achieve over here, because we all want that natural look, and that it looks like it is our own hair and yet it is not. That's what I'm trying to achieve over here. So let me just, so I'm gonna focus more like to the front part and also the middle part, because that's where my wig is gonna sit today. It's a middle part. So now I have put the makeup. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but yeah, the makeup is on, and hopefully it looks like my skin, because that's what I am going for. You can also bleach this part if you would like, but I prefer putting on makeup. And yeah, let's put it on. It has this band over here. Sorry, I forgot to show you that. It has this band over here where you can adjust it. If you want to make it bigger or smaller, you can adjust it as well. It also has these hooks over here, the normal hooks that are on a wig, but this one is for a glueless wig. If you want to adjust it, this is perfectly fine for that. Can you guys see? Can you see that? Okay, now it looks like my skin, and we can identify that here this is the excess lace that we need to cut. Let me sort of like put it properly so that I can also see from my mirror, and I can also see what I'm doing. Moving on to cutting this, what's this lace over here, but I'm gonna put on these pegs as well. I'm putting on these pegs just to sort of like be able to manage my hair. If you're hearing a bit of noise coming from that side, that's my lounge. People are chilling that side, so sorry about that if you're hearing that. But yeah, this is it. I'm gonna try and use all these things that they've sent me, these goodies that they've sent me, like this one that I'm using over here, so that you guys can see how they work. But I'm sure that you guys already know how they work because I've shown you how we use most of these products on most of these videos. Cutting this part over here, this white part over here, please guys make sure that you cut out that, because if you don't, it just looks a bit silly. The installation looks silly, so please make sure that you cut this part. And also I think I need a new scissor, because this scissor is the one that cuts straight. And for installation, I've seen the girlies on TikTok and I think on YouTube as well. There's this type of scissor that they use that is sort of like triangular over here, so that when you cut, it does not look like a straight line, which looks harsh, because I'm sure after cutting with this scissor it's gonna look a bit harsh because it's like I'm cutting it straight. So that's why I'm saying I need to get that scissor. I'm sure I can get it like in Chinatown or on Takealot, you know, so I'm just gonna have a look over there, and yeah, hopefully they have it. But I've seen so many American girlies use that type of scissor, and I think it makes a lot of difference. Yeah, so you see, take this part out. Can you see the difference? Like imagine leaving this part here, and can you see the difference on this side? No part. So make sure that you cut this off, please. Going in with my mousse. So this is the olive oil mousse, and it is a setting mousse. So I usually use this just to keep my hair at the back, so that when I'm cutting the lace I don't cut the hair. I just want to see like, what am I doing? Am I doing it correctly? Because I just need the hair to be at the back before I cut the lace. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to achieve. Mousse is a good way to control your hair, so that is why I love using it. It sort of like keeps my hair to the back, and I can see exactly what I'm doing. So yeah, I think we are good to go now, and we can cut out the lace. It looks good already. Hopefully when it's done, it is giving, child. Hopefully it is giving. But okay, let's go through. I'm trying to sort of like give it a curve, because I don't want it to have like the harsh line that I'm talking about when using this scissor. Yeah, so hopefully that works. So hopefully that really like works out. Okay, so we're done with cutting the lace, and hopefully it does not give me any like harsh lines, because I'm trying to avoid that by all means. So yeah, I'm not quite sure if hopefully it does not give me any harsh lines. So that's why I tried cutting it like this, so that it does not give that, child. I think I'm gonna go in with the mousse again, put it over here, and then I am gonna put this so that it melts down properly. I'm not gonna do any baby hairs today, you guys, because I want you to see how it looks like, because I want you to see how the glueless look looks. I also got this from Celie. They've sent me this as well. I noticed on the first when I was showing you the accessories, I didn't show you this, so they also sent me this. Let's go ahead. Oh god, let me use this one. I just hope that it does not show anything and it looks like a glueless, because that's what we're going for. because it already looks like a glueless right now, but I want to see if it's gonna like look like super melted once I put this on. So yeah, hopefully it does, and I'm sure it will. But yeah, let's put this on and then we'll style the hair as well. Going in with my hot comb, you guys, so that I can make sure that this part is flat, because it looks a bit up to me, and that's because of the way that I was of the way I was curling my hair. So that's why it looks a bit up, because it was flat. Hopefully we can go back to being flat. Now that we're done with that, let's try and open these curls. Let's try and do that. They're nice and bouncy. Oh, my curls, please do not disappoint me. Don't disappoint. These curls look super good, you guys. I'm even afraid to go in with this comb, because what if it opens it and it's too big and I don't like it anymore, because at the moment I am loving it and it looks super great. So I don't want to ruin it. I don't want to ruin the curl, because I feel like I love them. I feel like they're super well and they've curled so nicely. I think this is gonna be my new way of curling my hair, because what do you mean, child? What do you even mean? Can you see this? Can you see it? I think so far so good, you guys. It really looks good. This wig really looks good. It is giving. I've seen so many girlies like cut the front part of the hair, but I'm not sure if I should do that. I have never personally done that, so hopefully if I'm doing it, it does not go west, child. Does not go west, because excuse me, I wouldn't fathom. So okay, let's try. Ooh, my hair. So they do it in sort of like a down going so that it looks natural. Okay, not bad at all. Okay, let's do it on the other side as well. Okay, yeah, so in the front it looks a bit short, and then as you go it sort of like gets into the habit of being longer, that just like natural hair. I think that's what they usually are doing on those videos. Let me try and go a bit more. Coolio. I think that's fine. Yeah, that looks good. Child. Okay, let's go on this side. I'm going in with my makeup on the middle of the wig, because I wanted to have that straight line look. Oops. Okay, you guys, look at this, look at this. I think we got it. I think this looks good. It looks beautiful. What do you guys think? I'm actually going to my cousin's birthday today. We're having it at, she's hosting it at Cloud9. I'm sure you guys know that restaurant, so that's where we're going today, and I'm going to look at this good. Okay, look at this. It looks like it has been melted and yet it hasn't. So yeah, yes you guys, this is popping. This is beautiful. Child, Celie Hair has came through with this hair. They came through. Honestly, this looks good, you guys. Can you even tell that this is a wig that is a glueless wig, and it hasn't been look. Can you see that? Yeah, you can. Yeah, so this is a wig that hasn't been glued, because wow, this is giving we have glued this wig and it has been melted, and yet it hasn't, because wow, Celie Hair came through. Okay, let me show you again. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see it properly now that it hasn't been glued. Let me put it back. God, it looks so good. This wig looks super good. I'm so happy with how this wig is sitting. It is sitting perfectly, and it is like, it looks good. Honestly, it looks good. It looks super good. It looks like it has been melted. Celie Hair, thank you for this hair. I am keeping it. It is mine. Wow, it looks good, you guys. It looks great. This is a beautiful unit. I'm sure I'll show you also when I'm at the restaurant, so that you can get like a full look of the hair. I'm also going to show you when I am there, because wow, this is beautiful. I think you guys should get yourselves this, because wow, a glueless wig that looks like this. Child, where have you seen this? Where have you? Look at the curls also. Look at the curls. Okay, look at the curls. Oh guys, this is gonna be my new way of curling my hair. I feel like I haven't done that method in such a long time that I'm so excited with the result after I did it yesterday. So yes, I am super happy, and I am happy with the hair as well. I will leave every single little detail in my description box with regards to Celie Hair and everything. They also have a discount code over there, so make sure that you use that if you would like this hair, this perfect hair. This is beautiful. This is a 5x5, and it is a glueless wig. If you want a 13x4, you can also get that. They have different options of this hair, but I am super in love with this glueless hair. Guys, please look at me. Look at me and tell me I don't look good, please. Please tell me I don't look good. Hey guys, so this is how the hair looks after hours. I just came back from the party I was telling you guys about. I just wanted to show you how the hair looks afterwards. It still looks super curly and super beautiful as well. Look at it. This is the length. Can you see? It's sitting right on my boobs. So this is how it looks. This is how the weave looks. Let me just fix it, because I just moved it a bit. So yeah, this is how it looks. Beautiful wig, stunning wig, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let me know what you think about this wig as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. Also, I will leave every single little detail with regards to this wig in my description box, so do check that out. So yeah, that is it, you guys. I will see you in my next upload. Bye.